Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can make a pinch pot. You need a surface to work on, clay, paint and paint brushes, varnish and some pottery tools to make things easier. We're taking about 500 grams of clay for a small pot. Start by rolling the clay into a perfect ball. When you have the perfect shape, press your thumb into the clay and start forming the sides of the pot. Keep pushing and forming until you're happy with the shape. It can help to push your pot on the working surface sometimes to shape the pot even more. Now you can add extras. I shaped my bowl like a flower with the help of a knife, but you can also use pottery tools. Now it's time to let it dry. When it's dry, you can start painting it. I used Arteza gouache, but I'll probably use acrylic paint in the future because that's most recommended. This is what my pot looks like. Afterwards, you can spray or apply some varnish on top to seal everything in place. This is the result. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye!